Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video, I am eating a okra. Yeah, may okra tayo. Lapuan ako. I just boil it and put some vinegar on it. It's a good snack since nothing else. Wala nang iba. Kaunta. Eat. Let's eat. Have some?
Yes.
Vinegar. Vinegar and then okra. Like it? You want it? Hold it?
Oh my God.
Yeah, you want it? Isa ba ito lang? Yan. Wala na. Dami kaya gana pag papakad to. Damo to siya akong lapuan. Mga usa ka kilo siguro to. Guwapa lagi kita no. Uy, guwapa ta kung pagwapa. Hindi po maot kasi nagdagway ba. So today I feel a little bit depressed. Naguul kay again my car, yes, you know, my car is old. Seems like every year I have a trouble on it, but I still have don't have money to buy a new one, so I'd rather just go pay every time something happen on it. So I just pay. I just take to the repair shop and pay money. And today, the last time I paid, there was something like $3,000. And again today, I'm not sure how long it. Maybe 3 years ago, I paid like $3,000, 3,500. I think that was 3,500. And this time again is like 2,200. That's their calculation how much the repair and plus the repair and plus the what do you call it, the replacement, because you can buy a new replacement on it. So that's how much they charged me, is like 2,200. So okay, I said okay, I love the car, I really do. So I just pay, and then sometimes it just upset me. So you know, because everything you have more bills. I mean, you're gonna save it, and then when you save something, you have something happen, you know, something. But it is what it is. Maybe I should save money to buy new car. Maybe because if you buy that kind of car this time, I think it's like I need a big car, like big cars, you know, so like SUV. So I think if you buy a car like that this time, it's worth like 40, the used one, $40,000, or maybe if you can buy like 25, I'm not sure, 30, it depends how many years the newer car, maybe 6 years old, like that. Maybe I already do some research. 6 years, I think they were like $30. There's no cheaper, so it's better just go do repair on my car. Yeah, so cry. Wala nang pera, you need to work and you need to pay bills. Ganun talaga yung buhay, no? So yeah, just do something to make you relax. Take a deep breathe, kalma kasi pera lang din naman yan. Ayan, kasi kung wala kang sasakyan, hindi ka rin din makagala, di ba? But actually, I don't work outside. I just work at home. And the car is just, if you buy a new one, it's just sitting down in the garage, you know, and you pay 4,000. So I think it's cheaper that way to repair the car. But hopefully, hindi na masisira yun. Hopefully, hindi na siya masira. Ganun, no? Wish na hindi na siya masira. Sana ganun. But anyhow, it is what it is. It's time maybe to save money and maybe buy a newer car. Because that car is like every year, you need to buy a new one. So, yeah. Even you cry, it doesn't help. Yeah, if when you're sad, you don't need to cry because it doesn't really help. Maybe help you a little bit, but be strong. Just work, stretch, do some yoga, relaxation. Don't be hiding in your closet because you have bills, you have problems, any kind of problems. You know, you just calm down, take a deep breathe, and eat what you want. Hindi naman yung kadabihan din ng pagkaon ba para tambok po ka man, kung tambok po ka, may problema po ka. So eat something that you like when you're depressed, not you just eat and go jogging para mabukta ko niya pagwapa ka kato sa salon kato ko sa yung bathtub nimo para wala kay kasi if you go to the salon also you're gonna you know, but if you just depressed and you have money, you can just go relax, go find something else that you can help yourself calming down like that. But if you don't have money and you have a problem, your problem is money, so you just go shower, put some makeup. If you don't have makeup, you just go jogging and just relax and see the nature, listen to the nature. That's how I do. So anywho, I'm just sharing my life this morning, my story this morning. What I mean is the story. I woke this morning going home kasi nga I bring my car to the service, and then when I come back I just walk. It's like a 15 minutes walk and it was good. And I stop by and Lidl, I get some bread. It was my favorite bread, so it's now the bread is gone. It was yummy. But anyhow, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga ginagawa kong video. I know sometimes my video is boring, but that's life. Life also sometimes is boring. It's nothing happened really. And it just like I have this what is that, the it's also a YouTuber, I just forgot her name because I just sometimes saw these people and it just come up on my wall and just like it was a good one too. If you have some like mga pangarap, you know, you have something to reach by the end of this year, your goal you wanna achieve, so work on it, and yeah, I'm sure you will get it if you really work hard. Just try to your mental sibang huna-huna ba, just focus on it and you will get it, I'm sure. So bye bye for now. Thank you so much for watching and see you again on my next video, my boy.